up, guys? It's Joe Prezi here. Again, Elite Motors, give me another car to do a quick little review on. 2016 Audi RS7. Absolutely phenomenal car. These things are literally Lamborghini killers, especially when you tune them and just do like a downpipe. Very simple bolt-ons can put these things close to 800 to 900 wheel. Take a look under the hood for you guys. You guys always want to see what's down here. It's very, very similar setup to like the 13 and 16 M5s. With the twin turbos on top, right back here underneath the cover. Literally right where the downpipe is. Very easy to work on. This car looks phenomenal. Probably one of my favorite styling of cars. Massive, massive brakes. Look fucking phenomenal. Drilled and slotted rotors. Or I'm just sorry, drilled. My bad. I do got the carbon diffuser. Looking good. I like these little wings that come up. They look really, really unique. I'm gonna give you guys a few little POVs of this. Overall, price range of these cars, anywhere between 55 to 65,000. Hitting them for too. It's absolutely phenomenal for that fire engine to leave. But anyway, let's do a quick little startup. These things are actually very, very quiet, bone stock, believe it or not. But we can always change that. There you go. That's the view you guys were looking for, right? Let's go to setup, throw an individual, back to dynamic, open up those valves a little bit. Let's get a few revs. Sounds pretty good. It's honestly a lower package trim car. I mean, it's got the carbon, doesn't have cold seats, it doesn't have the suede or flat bottom steering wheel, but again, not a big difference. The main thing that I've noticed, it doesn't have the Alcantara / suede along the roof. It's just leather, just like my RS3. But again, not a massive deal breaker, just because you're buying the engine in this car kind of thing. And I mean, we're sitting at what, 32,000 miles? Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna get a few POVs for you guys and we'll get going. Oh my god, this thing is fucking crazy. Absolutely fucking menacing. This thing, it just never stops. And the DSG is just so crisp. Like, oh my god, you don't even need to tune this car low key. But I mean, if you want to beat Lamborghinis, I mean, it's a win-win for everyone. I mean, it's so easy to daily drive in comfort mode too. I mean, it's comfy, it's phenomenal, it sounds ridiculous, even stock and dynamic, just because those valves open up. Oh, it's just fucking crazy, man. Now I have the windows open so you guys can hear the outside a little bit. Just fucking crazy, man. I mean, it literally like you get to 60 in a split of a second, you know? Transmission smooths are flawless. It almost makes me think that this is better than like Porsche's PDK in a way. I mean, I know it's not, but it seems like it, right? All right, here you guys go for this one. Like, fucking what, 30 to 80 in a split of a second? I mean, you get some downshifts. I mean, you definitely get a little bit of torque steer, that's for sure. But I mean, nothing you can't handle with one hand. I mean, but overall, I would definitely give these cars a 10 out of 10 for styling, for performance, just for every aspect that this car can have. It's perfect. I mean, the overall styling, the car looks phenomenal too. You even get a little bit of backfire here and there when you downshift. Oh man, it just sounds so mean though. Just wanted to say thank you guys for always tuning in, watching these videos, helping me out on Instagram as well, on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. And I appreciate the content will get better, so don't worry about that. But I just wanted to appreciate everyone that watches videos. Stay tuned. If you guys ever want a specific vehicle on here, be sure to drop me a comment what kind of vehicle you'd like me to do. And I'll try my best to get it done. Don't be ridiculous, be like, oh, Bugatti. But I mean, if you want me to do like an Infiniti Q50, I mean, that's a car we have. It's a car I can do. But again, huge shout out to Elite Motor Cars in Concord, California. Address is 1671 Challenge Drive. I'll drop a link in the comment. This car should be up for sale soon from them. If you have any questions, stay tuned, guys. Peace out. Thank you.